Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 9, Lazy Bears by Watermelon. So here question is given, who am I? I am a summer fruit. I am green from outside. I am red from inside. Guess who I am? So answer will come watermelon. Fine. So WATERMELON, watermelon. The two brothers live in the bear family and both of them are very lazy. Two brothers are there and both are very lazy and they are living with the bear family. Fine. Their mother calls the elder brother elder lazy and younger one younger lazy. The name of the two bears are younger lazy and elder lazy. It is summertime. Younger lazy say, on such a hot day, I want to eat a watermelon. Younger means small, okay? And elder means big. Elder lazy say, oh yes, watermelon is sweet and cool. But who is going to buy one? Younger lazy say, you are older than I am, so you should go to buy it. Elder lazy replies, you run faster than I can, so you go. Means here younger lazy and elder lazy both wants to eat watermelon, but here question is that who will go and buy it. So elder lazy replies that you are faster than I can, so you go. Here elder lazy don't want to go to buy the watermelon, so elder lazy say to younger lazy that you go because you can run faster than me, so you go. You go, say younger lazy. You go, say elder lazy. Means they both are saying each other to go to buy watermelon, but from both of them no one is ready to go. Mother bear tells them to be quiet. Don't fight. If you are really want a watermelon, then go to buy one together. Now elder lazy and younger lazy's mother is coming and telling to both of them to quiet, and she told that don't fight, and if you both wants to eat the watermelon, then you have to go together, okay? You cannot have it if you are lazy. So if you want to eat, then you go, otherwise you are not able to eat. You cannot have it if you are lazy. So since both brothers love watermelon, they go out together to buy one. Means afterwards both are going together to buy the watermelon. They walk across the green field and the forest when the wildflowers grow until they come to the watermelon field of grandfather Goat. Means they are walking in the green field, and afterwards they are passing from the forest also, then in where the wildflowers grow, until they come to the watermelon field of grandfather Goat. So whose field was there? Watermelon field, grandfather Goat. What a big watermelon garden. It is covered with round fat watermelons. Elder lazy say to grandfather Goat, please choose a big watermelon for me. His brothers say, please choose a sweet one for me. Now both are asking to the grandfather Goat that you give big watermelon and even it is sweet. So sure, say grandfather Goat with a smile. He looks here and there in the field. He finds a very big watermelon that he thinks will surely be sweet. So now grandfather Goat is giving big watermelon and he thinks that it surely be sweet. So he is giving that watermelon to that elder and younger lazy. Elder lazy brother pay and begin walking home with the watermelon. Soon he complains that the watermelon is too heavy for him to carry. He tells his brother to carry it for some time. So afterwards, when grandfather Goat is giving that watermelon to the elder lazy, then elder brother pay and begin walking home. Means he is giving money to grandfather goat and he begins to walk at home with the watermelon. But as soon as in between he complains that the watermelon is too heavy for him to carry. So he tells to his brother to carry it for some time. The younger one pick it up with a frown on his face because younger is also lazy. Younger bear is also lazy, and he also don't want to carry that watermelon. But even though he picks up and with that frown on his face, he walks only a few steps and then put down the watermelon, saying that it is too heavy. He asks his brother to take it. The quarrel means now no one is ready to take. Elder lazy is also not ready to take because in between he had done complaint. So now younger brother had pick up, but on his face it is a frown. So younger lazy walks few steps and afterwards he is putting that watermelon downside and saying that it is too heavy, so I am not able to carry that watermelon. So now in between on the way they both are quarreling. Younger lazy touches the watermelon and it rolls in front. So brother, I think we can let the watermelon roll itself back home. So they are walking and in front of that watermelon is rolling by itself, and till home they are rolling itself and till the home is not coming. That ends the quarrel. They join hands to roll the watermelon away. Rolling across the beach and grasslands, the watermelon comes to the bear house. Mummy, we have bought a big sweet watermelon. Mummy, we have bought a big sweet watermelon. Their mother puts the watermelon into the basin to wash it. She then puts it on the table to cut it. Means afterwards when they reach at home, at that time both the elder brother and elder bear and younger bear gave watermelon to his mother, and she washes that watermelon in the basin, and afterwards she is putting that watermelon on the table to cut it. Our watermelon is very very sweet. Means both they are discussing that our watermelon is sweet. The flesh is red and delicious, say the younger brother. Please give me a big piece. Now younger brother wants that big piece of that watermelon, but the mother cuts it open only to find the flesh all the turn into red water. It flows over the table and down onto the floor. You can see in the picture that as the mother cuts the watermelon, the flesh all turn into red water. It falls over the table and down on the floor. Elder lazy and younger lazy are so sad, but there is nothing that they can do it. Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it? So here both are lazy, and because of that they are not able to eat that watermelon, even though they went to take the watermelon from the field of grandfather goat, and in last they are not getting anything to eat. So don't be lazy in your work and do your work by yourself.